So, today we are doing a classic. I guess that, in my opinion, if it's called a classic, this is the only one you ever need to know how to make. We'll start off with 1 part Curacao. Curacao. It's called Curacao. So easy to say Curacao because that's what it looks like. But that's not what it is. I've been told by an adoring fan that it's Curacao. 1 part Maraschino. 4 parts lemon juice, so this is going to be a lemony beast here. Don't worry, we will get to alcohol. I guess the Curacao's got alcohol in it. I look really filthy right now. I don't know if you know, or like can tell, but I look disgusting. I've been doing yard work all day. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is another cognac drink, which turned out pretty good the last time. So this is 8 parts cognac. Luckily we have people to split this with, so it won't be so overwhelming because I've been doing the big pours. I wouldn't recommend doing this with the tall part if you were just drinking it on your own. This would probably kill you if you drank this on your own. It is so tall and it's so much booze. Put a hell of a dent in this. It was up to here. That's a lot for 1 drink. My recommendation is go with smaller parts if you're making it on your own. I already have some ice in here, but with how big the drink is, we're going to add a little bit more. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Gross. Ugh. I thought it was going to be like a cool purple.
Sewer water!
But I guess with the brown cognac...
Just call it Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
It's not that pretty. Yeah, hopefully this is good. I'll pour these out and we'll see what it's like. Alright, so this is called the Classic. And what'd you call it? What it looks like?
I said that it looks like he washed his car and saved the water for all of us. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's see how it tastes.
It smells good though.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually really good. Just don't look at it. Use like an opaque glass.
It's actually really fucking good.
It's so tart. Like it tastes like it smells and tastes like Smarties with booze.
Yeah.
Kanish approves.
Yeah, the combo is there's like a ton of lemon juice in it.
That's what I taste.
Yeah. Well, gotta say, I actually recommend it because if you drink this in front of people, they're gonna think you're a damn maniac, which is a lot of fun.
Which means it just means more for yourselves.
Indeed.
Also true.
It's good.
Like and subscribe!